So what you got there?
Ashlyn, hey. Kiddo, you want to see what Grandma bought you?
What you got, Amy?
Got some clothes from Grandma for Ashlyn. You like that? Soft, isn't it? You like it? How does it feel? Is it soft? You can't put it in your mouth. You like it though? Let's see what else is in here. Ooh, how about this? You like it? It's pink. Yeah. Let's see, what else? Ooh, that's soft.
What does that mean? What do you think, kid?
Ashlyn, you like it? No, Mio. Look, it's got a little
She's got a
ear.
thing for hangers. I don't understand the. I don't understand it.